another attempt using the tool requested to see if we can see a difference between sharp and dull. I spent some time on this. It is very sharp. This is our first shot, and it gets a nice close look. You can really see the stuff coming off the gouge. The big one is at 1,000 frames a second. The little one is at 2,000 frames a second. And it's just like a river. It's kind of cool to watch. This shot was suggested by a YouTube commenter who wanted to see more down the length of the workpiece. He thought it would help my contrast problems, and it clearly did. Again, the upper one is 2,000 and the bottom one is 1,000. Those pieces just come off like dandelion fluff in the wind. It's a wood river. Kind of cool. Oh, I so hate to do this. I had that very sharp. I sure hated to dull it, but it was for science. That top one is 2,000 frames a second. The bottom one is 1. Clear difference. Clear difference. I would get pieces stuck between the cutting edge and the maple turning there, and it would just stop cutting. I think there's one of those coming up here in a bit. Just stop completely. There you go. See? And then it would start again. Chatter, feedback, pushback. There's another one. Just stops cutting. Very clear difference between the two. This is a pretty telling look, however. This is the cut that was left by the dull one, and these are a few of the practice cuts that I made. This is the cut that I made with it right out of the box. This is the cut I made after I sharpened it. Test cut anyways. The film test cut was right in here, and then I've gone over the top of the whole thing with that dull gouge. So when you look at the quality of the cut, it's apparent. Out of the box, after I sharpened it, after I dulled it. I sure hated to dull it, but it was neat to see.